This is the final video to solve Roblox game stats resetting after changing your username. Having personally encountered this frustrating data discrepancy and rigorously testing numerous approaches, I've identified multiple effective methods to re-establish your game statistics, which I will now meticulously detail for you. The initial solution involves a fundamental refresh of your browser and Roblox session data. By logging out, clearing your browser's cache and cookies, and then restarting your device before logging back in, you force a clean re-establishment of your connection to Roblox servers. This often resolves temporary data synchronization hiccups that can occur after a username change, ensuring your profile information, including game stats, is correctly fetched. Method 2 focuses on leveraging official support channels. Verifying your account and checking the Roblox status page for known issues are preliminary steps. If the problem persists, contacting Roblox support directly and providing clear details about your username change and subsequent stat loss allows their team to investigate and manually resync your data, addressing any server-side misconfigurations. Method 3 adopts a reinstallation approach. Reinstalling the Roblox application ensures you have the most current version, which is crucial as updates often contain fixes for known bugs, including those affecting data persistence. Logging in with your new username and initiating a manual data sync within the game settings can then properly reassociate your historical game data with your updated profile. The fourth method delves into local game file management. Accessing the game's saved data folders and carefully copying the data files associated with your old username, then renaming them to match your new username and placing them in the correct directory can directly overwrite or supplement any missing information, effectively restoring your game's statistics by providing the game with the correct data pointers.